These kids' rhyming videos are going absolutely viral day by day, and I got shocked when I watched this. 947 million views, 633 million views, 331 million views, and this channel has gained 11.4 million subscribers by uploading this exact style of content. And his videos are gaining views way above expectations. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can create these kind of videos for totally free. Yes, it is true. So make sure to subscribe the channel right now because you do not want to miss this. Let's get started. Now, before I show you the process, just watch this nursery rhyme video I created completely with AI.
Come along, let's go and see a picnic land as sweet as can be. Candy trees and chocolate skies. Candy trees and chocolate skies. Lollipop clouds drifting by. Terra my lollipop clouds drifting by. Gummy bear.
No animation studio, no music production, no voice artist, just free AI tools and a simple step-by-step process that anybody can follow. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do the same thing yourself. So the first thing you need is a strong rhyme concept and lyrics. Head over to ChatGPT and write a prompt asking it to give you catchy and viral nursery rhyme ideas for kids. ChatGPT will give you multiple creative concepts instantly. Now pick the one that feels the most fun and engaging. Something colorful, something with a simple repetitive rhythm that kids will love. Once you have chosen your concept, write another prompt asking ChatGPT to write full structured lyrics for that rhyme with verses, a chorus, and a clear flow. Hit enter, and within seconds you have a complete, professionally written nursery rhyme ready to use. Now here is where the magic happens for the music. Head over to Google Gemini and choose the Create Music option. Paste your nursery rhyme lyrics directly into Gemini and hit enter. Gemini will generate beautiful, catchy, and rhythmic music for your rhyme, complete with a kid's-friendly voice, melody, and full musical arrangement. This is the part that makes your video feel professional and polished. Once the music is ready, hit download and your entire soundtrack is done. No music production skills needed whatsoever. Now it is time to create the visuals. Go back to ChatGPT and write a prompt asking it to generate detailed animation scene prompts for every part of your rhyme. ChatGPT will break your rhyme down, scene by scene, and give you a structured animation prompt for each one. Copy the first scene prompt and head over to Google Flow. Click on New Project, choose your desired settings and paste the scene prompt in. Hit Generate and Google Flow will create a bright, colorful, and perfectly structured animated scene for you. Now to maintain the continuity of the video, you have to make sure the Extend option is turned on before you generate your next scene. This is what keeps the visual style, characters, and atmosphere consistent throughout your entire video. Now copy the second scene prompt, paste it in, and generate. Keep repeating this exact process for every remaining scene until your complete nursery rhyme video is built scene by scene. Once all your scenes are generated and you are happy with how everything looks, just click on Download. You can download the full clip at once or scene by scene. I am downloading the full clip right now. Now open any video editor you like and import your generated clip along with the music you downloaded from Gemini. Remove any unwanted parts that do not feel right, then adjust and align the music according to the flow of the video so everything feels smooth and in sync. Finally, scale the clip up slightly to hide the VO watermark. Once everything looks smooth and polished, hit export. Your viral kids nursery rhyme video is completely ready to post. 947 million views from nursery rhyme content. The audience is massive. The tools are free, and the process is sitting right here in front of you. All you have to do is start. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.